Hi guys, I'm Jill, and today I'm going to tell you about one of my favorite tools, our Lashicurl. The Lashicurl is our heated lash curler. It has 3 heat settings. It also has a silicone tip, so there's no wires, so you're not going to worry about burning yourself. And it is great for curling your lashes, loosening the curl of the lash, and also heat fusing. The Lashicurl can also be used to curl your natural lashes. If you're going to do that, we recommend that you use it on the lowest heat setting, so setting 1, and you're gonna hold it at the base of your natural lash and just gently go along the lash until you get the curl that you want. You can also use the Lashicurl to curl your Gossamers while they're in the cartridge or while you wear them on your eyes. In order to do this, we recommend that you turn your Lashicurl up to the 2nd heat setting. When curling the Gossamer in the cartridge, you're gonna come in with your heated up Lashicurl and you're gonna hold it onto the Gossamers and then slowly move it along the lash fibers. You wanna make sure that you're not doing this really fast. If you're doing it fast, then you're just brushing heat through. You wanna make sure that you're creating that curl by holding the Lashicurl and allowing it time to heat up those fibers so you get the curl that you're looking for. When using the Lashicurl on your eyes, you're gonna follow that same idea. You're gonna hold it onto your Gossamers and then you're gonna slowly move the Lashicurl to again allow it to heat up those fibers to create that curl that you're looking for. Sometimes when I apply 2 different Gossamer styles, they might not have the same curl, and what I love about the Lashicurl is that it has one side that can fit your whole eye, and then the way that it's made and the way that it curves, the other side is for a more precise curl. So maybe I've put a curl on the end and I can kind of see that Gossamer. That's when I'm gonna come in with this shorter side and I'm gonna hold it onto the area that I want versus curling my entire eye, and that's gonna blend everything together and it's gonna give me that perfect lash cleavage. Not only does our Lashicurl curl our Gossamers, but it can also loosen the curl. So if you get a Gossamer style and you feel like the curl's too strong, maybe it's even hitting, your upper brow bone, you're gonna come in with a Lashicurl, and instead of coming on the outside of the Gossamer, this time you're gonna come from the top, you're gonna hold the Lashicurl on there and do the same thing. Just gently and slowly glide it along the lash until you get the curl that you desire. Same thing goes for lessening the curl. You can do that while you wear the Gossamers. You're gonna do the same exact thing. You're gonna take your Lashicurl, you're gonna hold it along the top of your lashes and then just slowly slide it down. You can also, so I'm using it on the 2nd level right now. You can also go up to the 3rd level. It's gonna get hotter, which is totally fine because it's a silicone tip. It's not gonna burn you, but it does get hot, so just be careful. But the slower that you go, the quicker you're gonna get results. One of our level 2 techniques for longevity uses our Lashicurl, and it's what we call heat fusing. Heat fusing is one of my favorite things to do. You can do it directly after application, but you can also do it on day 3, 4, 5, and it's gonna extend the longevity and the wear of your Gossamers. In order to heat fuse, I recommend using your Lashicurl on the 3rd heat setting, the highest heat setting, allowing it some time to heat up. Once it's hot, what we're gonna do is we're gonna reactivate the bond. So we're gonna do this by holding our Lashicurl, and this time we're holding it just at the base of our Gossamers, and I'm gonna hold it there for like 10 or 15 seconds. If you feel like the 3rd heat setting is a little too hot for you, you can still heat fuse on the 2nd setting. And what's happening is right now we're reactivating the bond. So the bond's loosening up, we're making it kind of gooey again, right? And then after I've held this on there for about 10 to 15 seconds, then I'm gonna come in with my Fuse Control wand without my wandums because we want that coolness of the wand. Then I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna fuse down along the spines and we're recreating the seal. So this is why it's really great for day 2 or 3 or 4 because you might have some lifting, but you're gonna come in, you're gonna reactivate the bond, you're gonna fuse it back down, and they're gonna be brand new. The Lashicurl is one of my favorite tools to use to enhance my experience with Lashify because I can use it to create different curls, I can use it to blend curls, I can use it to soften curls, and I love, love, love to heat fuse after application, and I'll take this on vacation with me, and if I have lifting on day 3 or 4, I don't even worry about putting more bond on. I just come in and heat fuse. Make sure you subscribe to our channel down below, follow us on all of our social media platforms, and we will see you again. Bye guys.